Hey guys, today I'm going to show you awesome tips, tricks, and step by step so you can make the absolute perfect southern blue ribbon pecan pie. Let's bake easier! Downloadable recipe is in the description. Now you have this beautiful brown, flaky, fully baked bottom crust without the hassle of pour baking. Simply place the large metal pan on the bottom rack, then preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Our brain and taste buds love multi-layers of texture and flavors, and that's why for the filling we create two distinct layers. To do that, coarsely chop or hammer the pecan with the rough side of a meat tenderizer, then mix them with the rest of ingredients. Hold the whisker with your fist, give more strength and leverage, and that's how simple it is to make this amazing filling. But the filling is only half of the story. The other half is this amazing flaky buttery crust I prepared earlier. Now this pie crust is result proven and is the easiest there is, so you definitely want to check it out. Notice that I use a metal aluminum pan, which is the best material for ensuring a brown flaky bottom crust. Now egg wash give the pie that glossy, beautiful golden brown crust, and it should be brushed on now so we won't poke the filling later. Filling is in. You can arrange the pecan however you like. Simply drop it on one end, tilt, and gently drop it in. Super easy. Now final trick also super crucial, protecting the top from getting too brown. My simple trick is placing a disposable pan on top to create a dome, then just cover the entire thing loosely with foil to protect the sides. Bake as instructed, and to avoid runny filling, remove the pie only when the center jiggly slightly like this. You can also use an instant read thermometer to check for 220 degrees Fahrenheit, but oops! Enjoy on the first day for the best flaky crust, but only after the filling has set. You can add a dollop of light and fluffy whipped cream, and of course vanilla ice cream is also a popular choice. And that's how we make the best southern perfect pecan pie. If you love more pies, check out my pie playlist with more to come. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help out my small channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye!